DIY Dad here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how you can set up the iconic symbol of freedom, the good old American flag. And not just any flag, we're talking about the 6-foot American flag set. SKU number 63246 from heartlandamerica.com. Let's get started. Not only does it come with a flag made in the USA, but it also includes a sturdy 6-foot pole and all the hardware you need to get it flying high. One of the really nice features about this is it has ball-bearing swivels that keep the flag from tangling. And there you have it, folks, your very own DIY flag setup. Search for SKU number 63246. You can easily install this with the mounting bracket and screws. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep flying those colors high.